Severe thunderstorm warning.
National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Rockingham County, northwestern Caswell County, the city of Danville, southwestern Pittsylvania County, southeastern Henry County, until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:46 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Eden, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Danville, Eden, Reedsville, Wentworth, Yanceyville, Bethel, and Stoneville. This includes the following location: Danville Airport.
Well, here we go.